What's up, everyone? This is Brian G here, the novice woodworker. Here's my workshop. And so I had a little sneak peek a little bit ago, my last video of my next project. And so this one, my mother-in-law, she was requesting a certain project for her birthday. I'll show you right here. So I'm sure you've seen this before if you're in the woodworking space, but it's a little squirrel bench. I don't know. I guess he likes her squirrels and wants to have a little place for the feeder for them to eat some nuts while she enjoys it. So it is a fun project. I'll show you how I went about it, and yeah, just hope you enjoy. Thanks. I'm going to include the dimensions in the description of this video, but I worked with these two long boards, and first thing that I went to do is make all my cuts with my miter saw. It's a Craftsman battery powered miter saw, and I have it in almost all my videos. I'm a big advocate of it though. For the legs, I made 22.5-degree cuts for both the top and bottom of the piece to, give you that slant. And that's what I'm working on right now. Now we gotta switch to the other side, make some cuts. There's a good alignment, showing you. Alright, and now it's time to sand away. So there were still a couple more pieces that I had to make cuts on for the supporting pieces. My miter saw just couldn't do the job, so I'm gonna have to borrow my dad's table saw for some cuts, which I'll show you in a little bit. But this is of me sanding. I'm gonna give you an overview of the pieces that I have. Me sanding the edges. Now I'm going to show you my table saw cuts with some kickback. Not there. Initiating slow-mo. Whew. That was intense. So, Now I have all the pieces cut, and I'm just sanding the remaining pieces that I have left, the ones that just were cut. And then it's time to start gluing and nailing away. I didn't show the tight bond glue that I use. And yeah, I don't have a nail gun, so I just got brad nails, and I'm using a hammer with nails. And I cut a lot of the video because, you know, it takes a lot longer than just a nail gun, but it's showing you my process. Got 2 bottom pieces, whatever you want to call them. After I nailed those, it's time to work on the legs. And once again, use tight bond. It's actually tight bond 3. And brad nails. Apologize my video. I really need to work on my video skills. Yeah, getting better angles and stuff. It is challenging, you know, as you do the project. You also need to show it for others, but I'll eventually get better. Just me hammering away. I got some squeeze out there with all the glue. I don't know if I show it, but yeah, I use a rag to clean it all up. Can be pretty messy. Now it's time for the other legs. I got the support beams that I'm doing, and I'm measuring the distance with the table or the seat part. Putting glue down. Then I'm gonna hammer away. Clamped everything, and here's what it looks like after it's all glued, except the table or the seats. That's the last thing. now I'm using the final hits to punch those nails in. Alright, so here's the final build of what I have. Now I just gotta finish and use preconditioner and then some wood stain. I'll show you how I do that. Alright, so I forgot to fill in the preconditioner. But, basically for pine it's just good so it doesn't look all blotchy and stuff. But for the wood stain, I used 2 coats. I'll show you at the end what brand it was. But yeah, this is me getting all the surfaces with the wood stain, and I'll show you 2 applications. Alright, this is the final coat. There you have it. This is the finished squirrel bench. Again, made all those cuts. I used wood conditioner, and then this is probably overkill, but Paramount Warm Teak Vicksburg paint and stain. We had some garden boxes that were we actually haven't stained yet, but we're playing into with that, so that's why I used that. It's I'm sure you could use just there's just a number of stains and varnishes out there that you can use, but since it's outdoor, and I do hope for it to be long term for my mother-in-law, so I think she'll enjoy it. I mean, again, there it is. Imagine 2 little squirrels there eating their nuts. And yeah, so but anyways, overall I'm pretty happy about it. I'm starting learning woodworking, and it's always room for improvement. You're always gonna think, oh, I could have done better, but I had fun. That's all that matters. And well, what else matters? I hope you guys enjoyed it, and again, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, thanks.